Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the guilty reader book tag, and I'm going to read some questions off my phone. And I thought it would be a fun tag to do. So yeah, first question: have you ever regifted a book that you've been given? No, most people will give me a gift card or money to buy my own book, because I own so many books they don't know what I have or have to own. So no. Have you ever said you've read a book when you haven't? Yeah, that would probably be in high school, because I hated every book they selected for us to read, and so I used to get the Cliff Notes. I don't even know if they have those anymore, but I used to get the Cliff Notes and do my book review or whatever it was again. It's been so long. But I never actually read the book. But now, no, because I choose books that I want to read. So no, I don't do that now. Have you ever borrowed a book and not return it? No, I can't recall ever doing that. I mean, when I used to borrow a lot from the library, but then those library fees taught me a lesson, so no. Next question: have you ever read a series out of order? No, that would bother me because it would spoil it, and I wouldn't read the second book and not read the first book, or the third book and not read the second, because I'll probably be lost and not know what's going on. So no. Have you ever spoiled a book for someone? Not intentionally, but I'm pretty sure I have. Or the person never said anything, but I probably have. Not sure, but I probably have. Have you ever doggy-eared a book? Yes, and I hate it. So a lot of times I use if I'm somewhere and I have a book and I don't have why can I think right now? A bookmark. I will use a business card or a Metro card. So I really don't like doing that to my books. Have you ever told someone you don't own a book when you do? No. I do not lend my books out. I've had a bad experience. I collect Jane Austen's books, and they are in a certain edition. And unless someone Sense and Sensibility, they never returned it and claimed that they don't know where it is. And it took me months to find that exact edition. So I do not lend out my book, and I'm very honest. I will tell a person immediately no. If it's a book that I know is really good and they will love it, I'll rather go buy them a copy and then give them my copy. So no. Next question. Have you ever skipped a chapter or a section of a book? Yes. And that's if I hate the book. If I'm reading a book, I get about halfway and I just realize that I just don't have the desire to finish it. I'll probably go to the last chapter just to see how it ends. And that's it. But that's if I actually really hate the book. Other than that, no, because then if I miss something, then I'm going to be upset, like, what did I miss? So no. But if I hate the book, yeah. And the last question I have here is, have you ever badmouthed a book you actually liked? No, why would I do that? That's like a silly question. I'm not sure why. I've loved a book and still had maybe one or two issues with it, but I wouldn't call that badmouthing it. I would say, I didn't like this part or that part, but for the most part, I enjoyed the book. But most books, I don't think I've ever read a book that I didn't find one or two issues with it. Even if I loved the book, even if it was a 5-star, I would still be annoyed by something, but it's not bad mouthing. It's just my critique of certain things in the book that I didn't like. So no. So anyway, that was it. I think it's a fun book tag for anybody that's a reader and enjoy books. So anyway, thanks for joining, and do the tag. If you have done the tag, go ahead and leave a comment and I will go to your page and your channel, sorry, and see what your answers were. So bye.